Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit YouTube videos using Kapwing. Editing YouTube videos can transform raw footage into engaging polished content that keeps viewers watching. Kapwing is a web-based video editor that makes this process easy on PC. And whether you're trimming clips, adding subtitles, inserting music or creating effects, you do not need to install heavy software. So first you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your Kapwing, what you can do is you can simply upload your video by going to this create new and click onto this upload media on the left side over here, and it will automatically take you to your video library or your photo library. Select one of the video or the photo, and over here simply double click on it and put on this editing timeline here. Over here what you can do is you can simply trim or cut your footage as well by simply clicking onto this edges of the video here clip. You can easily trim the video, and if you want to split the video, what you can do is simply select to this line icon here and click onto the split as well, and you can delete the unwanted parts by splitting this video as well. And on the left hand side we can find there's an option for the text. You can also select this text, type down your styles, and you can drag and drop and choose the font color position to make it readable and engaging. And again we can find this audio. You can click onto this audio, you can drag audio onto the timeline and adjust volume, trim or fade into out by simply clicking on any of the music here. And after you're done editing, what you can do is you can also preview your edited video by selecting to this play and make adjustment, and after you're done click onto this export project in the top right. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.